I'll be making a bag to go to the craft event in Birmingham on Sunday the 15th of March. So I'll be documenting my process of making my bag for this event. So let's rewind and start from the beginning. Hi, I'm Callista and welcome to my corner. So I will insert the picture somewhere on the screen of the design that I plan to make for this bag. I also have all the materials already for the bag too. And then we'll make a prototype, and then once the prototype is sorted, we will then make the actual bag, knowing that it works and everything. So I'll start off with the materials that I plan to use for this bag. So I have my main denim. I then have my front pocket pattern, which is also denim. I then have this fabric, which will be my lining fabric inside the bag. Next, I've got my medium interfacing. I also plan to add some piping onto my fabric, so I got me some cotton, and then I bought some rivets to put onto my bag as well. This is the denim threads that I plan to use for the fabric. So yeah, that's all of my materials, and I'll be making the prototype. So that's those parts basically done. I'm now going to pin and sew them together and make sure that the size is okay. So I've created my prototype of the bag, which is here. So yeah, it's the size that I want it to be, so it works well for me, but the bag is deep and wide enough for me, so I'm happy with the way it came out. So now we've made the prototype, we will now make the actual bag. I'm going to start by cutting out the fabric pieces for it, and then once all the pieces have been cut out, I'll add on the interfacings. I am now hemming the front pocket of the bag on the bottom and the top. Now that's done, I'm attaching the piping to the front panel of the bag. Next, I'm just cutting out the back pocket for the back panel of the bag. And then I'm just going to iron it out flat so that it will all sit in place for when I put the zip in. Now it's just to pin the zip in place and then take the machine and sew it. Now the front and back's done, it's time to add on the gusset. Everything was going a bit too smoothly, and then that's when something went wrong. Let's see what went wrong, shall we? That is what I did wrong. I forgot to attach the pocket. But it's okay, I just sewed it on top, so the problem was solved. Now it's time for me to do the lining. I'm just going to do the exact same thing as I did for the exterior. I attached the strap pieces together, eyeing them flat and then top stitched to keep them in place. After that, off camera, I basically just did the final step, which was top stitching around the bag. The camera and the bag couldn't fit in the same spot, so I don't have any footage of that, but in the picture and the videos you can see the top stitching. Overall, I would say with the bag, it turned out pretty well. It did the job that it was supposed to do, carry stuff, and it was really cute and it went well with my outfit, that I can say. I forgot to take any pictures at the event. I was so caught up in the whole experience that I forgot, but it's okay. You can still see the bag. Obviously there are some areas where I think improvement could have been done, but it was my first time doing piping, so I've learned my lessons in piping and a better way to handle it next time on my bag. But overall, I'm still happy with the bag. I still think it's cute and I still like it, and I know what I can do for next time to make it better. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!